Welcome to Texas Honda Channel. If you're new here, definitely click that subscribe button. So today I'm going to do a little walk around of the truck. I finally got it bed lined. There's an official video over on More Motorsports Garage, but I'll give you a little walk around real quick and you can go over there and watch it if you want. Got the bed line on and it looks really good all the way through. Very durable finish. I still have to do the inside of the bed and paint all that, but yeah, I love the texture it has. And if anyone didn't see, I put a Dragon Ball back here, and whenever I go to actually put a trailer on, I have to take that off and put an actual ball. But the Texas Edition badge put on, it's looking good all the way through. We'll go ahead and pop the hood. Got the Mazda badges put back on. I did under here as well. I didn't do the firewall because I'm going to plan on wrapping that with the gold deflective tape. Did under the hood though. I'm still going to paint this piece here black, take it off and redo that. But yeah, it's looking good. It's running good. Everything's doing really good on it. I'm going to go back in the garage because it is windy. But yeah, just want to give you guys a little update here. A huge shout out to Wetwork Paint and Body in Killeen, Texas. They did let me rent their booth, so definitely appreciate that. I have to get this satin black with red scallops soon for that old school meets new school rat rod look, and then the wife's MDX. We're going to be doing that white, and then it's going to be a really special paint job, so it'll be really cool. So that'll be really awesome. So definitely have to stay tuned to this channel and to More Motorsports Garage if you want updates on all that stuff. But I'm not going to make this a very long video, just wanted to let you know got some work done, and there's a video over on the other channel. Link is in the description. I hope to see you guys over there. But I'm going to go ahead and get off here. I'll see you guys in the next video. And as I like to say, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.